short name for our program is Automotive Product Design. And what we are looking to do is supply graduates and opportunities for students' careers in the pathway of mechanical design. Jobs can range from mechanical designer, CAD designer, to blueprint, to working on the shop floor, to assisting in an OEM basis, so you could work directly for one of the major car manufacturers. But because of our region in Windsor, we really supply graduates to the supplier chain and the tooling industry.
I am an international student from Barbados, and I was just finishing up the high school equivalent back home in Barbados, and I have a big passion for cars. I became really interested in St. Clair College and this program specifically because it was in Windsor, which is known as the Automotive Hub of Canada, and the program was centered around automotive product design.
So I'm a mechanical design leader at Global Vehicle Systems, and we design machines for Tier 1 suppliers from the ground up. Windsor was one of the biggest automotive places in Canada. Where else better to start your career than in Windsor itself? The professors at St. Clair College are extremely nice. They want you to learn, and they encourage you to do everything you can to make yourself better in the automotive field.
So St. Clair College, we've dedicated a lot of initiatives, a lot of capital funding and equipment to improving our lab structures. So we really try to incorporate hands-on activities to aid in the learning process.
If one wants to get into the automotive field, or if one wants to pursue a career in engineering, then St. Clair College is the place to start and finish your education.